All right, so it's 9:30. I'm all saddled up, ready to ride. Feet are a little sore after the 15 from yesterday. Whew. So I just climbed my first peak without checking the GPS gut hooks at all. And I gotta tell you, it's a whole new feeling getting over that first peak or whatever. Man, I should do that more often. I'm gonna put my whole self in the water.
Oh, there he is.
It is hot in Virginia. Sometimes you just gotta jump in the water. So I just got dumped on. I found this jacket a little past Damascus. Thought it was a rain jacket. It was super compact and lightweight. It's not a rain jacket. Found that out the hard way. Anyway, look how awesome this trail is. So there was no water source back there. It was a real nice spot, great view, but I didn't have enough water to stay. Plus there was way too many people for my comfort. Even though they're all great people, I just don't like large crowds in a small shelter. Anyway, it's 8:30. I'm hiking on. I'm just about to the water. It's about 0.3 away. I'm gonna load up, find the next campsite afterwards. And all those people will probably pass me first thing in the morning, because I'm not gonna be the first one up, I know that.